So, it's my first vacation day, and the rain that we all begged for has arrived. Now, it's a bit inconvenient for me because I'm writing a lesson on Pearl soon, and tonight I'm going to an outdoor concert, so yeah, if it could have waited another day, I would have been happier. But yeah, no, nature, everything needs this rain, so I shouldn't be ungrateful, and I do have a raincoat with me, so I'll manage. Was it good to come in from the rain? You can rest a bit and pee, obviously. Hi, sweetie. Are you a bit tired? Yeah. Vad är detta? Oj, lilla strumpa. Ska vi gå och sätta oss? Kom där. Kom. Kan du komma? Ja. Kan du komma? Så. Och så. Hej hjärtat.
Ja, du skojar du eller?
I took Pearl in so she's not soaked through when we ride, and now I'm here to collect some shit. Now I'm gonna muck out, and let's get started. You wanted to be with me when I packed the hay as well? Okay. The hay is really warm. It needs to be aired out a bit. Hey little... Oh my gosh, Panther, help. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you gonna... Oh, are you gonna play in the hay? Why are you so talkative? Hey. Hi, little one. Ooh, that's a nasty tick. I need to take that tick. Just stay there. Panther, you're making my hay packing chores harder than they need to be. Oh, please don't. Oh. Busunge. Did you have to park yourself in my newly packed hay? I don't think the horses want you in their hay. Oh. The rain is very much appreciated. But if it would stop for like a half hour when I'm up on Pearl, that would be awesome. Because that raincoat is extremely warm to wear. It's like a fleece lining. Hey! Hey, Musti. Kay di vari. Hey. Hey, gummen. Hey. Skrutt. Hey, din skrutt. Hey, idi vari. Ooh. Is your stomach hurting? Ooh. With all the grass in it. Have you eaten too much? Hey. I do want to kiss you. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Kommer den lille. De jobbige flugor. Och de jobbiga flugor. Älskling. Trollungen. Trollunge. Den här där gumman. Den här där. Crappy weather.